Here's Winchester for the cat of the day. He's always here by the door when I come in. Good Winchester. Here's Mr. Gray this morning. Yes, good Mr. Gray. And here's Addie. And here's Hillford. Yes, good Hillford. And here is Tammy under here. And let's see, who else do we see here this morning? Here's Sherlock. Good morning, Sherlock. Mr. Gray again. Here's Peter. There he goes. And I saw Tigress earlier this morning. She's in hiding at the moment. And let's see. Oh yes, here's Tammy again. Oh, she's quick. Hi, Hillford. Good, Addie. Yes. And then Jasmine, she let me pat her again today. And Hank, he was still running around. But it's nice and warm and cozy over here. Take care and have a blessed day.